the trust is ready, then I would transfer the whole amount or that particular account into Balambika Tirupati Trust. Okay? Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah? Yes.
Current account there is no interest.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Now you both are in SB account. The two will be opened in SB
SB account. Okay.
Because now it carries day-to-day interest. Whatever amount that comes in, it will be on an interest rate.
Okay.
So right now not a current account, SB account.
SB account. Okay, sorry. Technically I am wrong there. So it's the SB account and not a current account. Okay? So it's a 2% operating account at the moment.
That may be in the name only, not in trust.
Not in the trust.
Individually.
Individually. And I'm trying to get it done as quick as possible. Let's see how it works out. So the first thing is I have to get the copy done. No, get it according to our format and then get it done.
For registration, you must have a bylaw.
Yes, yes,
Then
yes.
only they will accept.
Yes, I'm doing it with the help of a lawyer.
Oh.
So that everything is as per the norms. So that we need not change it at all. And any amendments, little small thing here and there, we could always get it done.
That bylaw, some executive members,
Yes.
chairman and all those things and auditor,
Yes.
everything is required.
Included.
Because we have registered on Senior Citizens Forum.
Oh, okay.
Last month we have registered.
Oh yes, okay.
Rajarajeshwari Nagara branch.
Alright.
So you know all the formalities.
Formalities, yes. Definitely, I know I need a lot of input from you.
All those things are required.
Okay,
Then if you pay a little, immediately it will be done.
Okay.
Because
Yeah, that is always there in India.
without that, they will drag it on for months.
Yeah. Yes.
That is all.
Yes, so it's point to be noted. So you will be spending some amount for something else.
A little bit, it is not a big amount. Little bit only.
At the time of registration, while making the bylaws, you should make it very,
Flexible.
according to the, situation and
Ethos.
norms and conditions required by the registrar of societies.
Yes.
Once it is registered, then you can amend it according to our
convenience. Yes. So that is the reason I was telling
So
you.
first of all, you should do it according to their
Their,
wish.
yes.
Otherwise, they will not give that okay signal at all.
Okay.
So get
Yeah.
the okay done and then do the
can
amendment
do
in the
the
general body meeting.
Yes, yes.
To take a copy of that, they will give.
Yeah.
Then you can.
Okay.
Afterwards, everything.
Yeah, it's only the aims and the objectives. I just looked into it. I think we have to change a little bit of aims and objectives. The rest of it will be the standard format that we will have. And then we'll get the amendments done. Okay? So that I think, it has to be done professionally. I cannot do it or none of us
It's
do
not a
it.
big thing. If you interest to that lawyer,
Lawyer,
everything you do,
yes.
you have to sign.
Sign it, yeah.
And all the other members also, they must sign with photograph.
Photograph.
Passport size
size.
photo and full address.
Okay.
All the executive members,
Okay.
chairman, treasurer, like that all.
Okay.
We have some
So it is
legal
not a
expertise
problem.
in you.
Okay, I will do that.
Auntie, we have legal expertise. You are a qualified lawyer.
Yes, I do. But then now I am not the working person, So.
So we know we are all in safe hands.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay,
You have to
so,
register Bangalore only, Rita.
yes, we'll get it registered in Bangalore.
Then no problem.
Yeah, we'll get it done in Bangalore. Okay? Because most of us are here and it's very convenient for me, when I drop in to get it done. Because I've been away from the other places for quite a long time. So it's highly a difficult job if I go back there and do it. Okay? Yeah. So that's the first point that we are going to discuss. Now the second thing is, I wanted to have, board members. Okay? So I have just nominated this time, just for the paper sake. I thought, since many of us, I know everyone, one of you. Okay? But then, amongst yourself, now these 3 days it has helped, knowing each other. Now that's one thing which I wanted to achieve. Getting all of you all together, getting to work, and then see how things work, and then how you work with each other. And then I think it was done fantastically. And I should really compliment you all for putting up with everything here, with the water problem, with with all sorts of problems. Okay.
All these executive directors and all those things, don't say nominated, elected, you say like that.
Yes, no, for the members I should say nominated.
But when
In the
you
paper, yes.
give a copy to the bylaw to them,
Yes.
you must
Right, it's elected.
elected the
Yeah.
members.
No, now I have prepared the list, so they might ask when did we vote. So I should give them the explanation, isn't it? So what I was thinking is, the first year, every year it's on a, it's like a rota. We will have it on rotation basis. Okay, we can get the group assembled, and then we could elect, or we can even elect it on the website. I'll make a provision there, okay, so that you could vote on the website itself, and then we could get the new members done. Okay, and if you see on the website, I have included a room, a page called chat room. Okay, now that room, whenever I wanted to have a meeting or something important is there to discuss, I send an email saying that let's all meet at this particular time. So that if that's convenient, I'll give a week's time, or if it's very urgent, maybe 3-4 days, but otherwise a week's time, so that all of you could get logged on during the particular time, and you are there on the chat room. And then we could discuss matters of very great importance. Otherwise, we'll just go on with the normal one. Okay. Now, for the first time, I thought I will just nominate because I have identified a few things, and it's convenient for me to work with them for this 1 year. So after this, and you will also get to know more of them, and then for the next year, we will do the voting. Okay, it's free election, so we will get the voting done. Okay. Right. And now we should have a president, vice president, secretary, joint secretary, treasurer, joint treasurer, and then we have the executive members. Now, president, it's okay. Vice president, president for the timing for this year, it's going to be me. Okay, because I'm convening the whole meeting. Next is the vice president. Vice president, we have Anu Srinivasan. Okay, she's coordinating for the US, and we have Sampath Srinivasan. He is here for India based, so that anything that has to be coordinated could be done through them. Okay, so they are the two vice presidents that we have. We have the secretary. Secretary is Maithili Sundarajan. Okay, helped by Mr. Sundarajan. Goes without saying. And yes, Anu Srinivasan goes with Srinivasan. Chino Srinivasan. Okay, now we have joint secretary. We have Antil Rajendran. And for the US, for India it's Antil Rajendran, and for US it's Murali Chakravarti. Okay, and treasurer we have Balaji Santana. He is Balaji.
He's a banker.
Yeah, and he is a banker too. And we have joint treasurer. We have Priya Rangan, helped by Kasturi Rangan. Okay, and we have executive members. We have 4 executive members, and I would like to have one more who could be a volunteer. It's 5. I've got 4. I want one more. Now, executive members, we have Shashikala Venkatesh. We have Rupa V. Rajan, and 2 people. These 2 are from India and Dubai. And we have Shiva Sadashivam. He's from the US. And we have Vasu Chakravarti, also from the US. Okay, Vasu is Ramesh Chakravarti. And I need one more member. It could be from the US or it could be from India. Can I have any volunteer, please?
I'll join next year.
Okay, now why don't you put Sampath? He's also social worker.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sampath?
Sampath is Tirupati.
Can I?
Yeah, yes. போடுங்க.
நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும். நீங்க தான் எசன் சொல்லணும். அவங்க உங்களை நாமினேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Can I? யோசிச்சு சொல்றீங்களா? Okay, right. Okay. So, anyone else? Right. Okay. So we have 5 executive members, joint treasurer, joint secretary, and this I will put it up on the website.
Do you
So
have
that
a
you
brief
know.
explanation of what their responsibilities are?
Yes. The president, it's bringing all of them together. For the time being, it's the whole process being done, because we are at a very, very initial stage. It's a baby stage. So I wanted to see that everything comes together. So that would be my job, getting everyone together work-wise and then people-wise also. Okay, and to get more members into the trust, to see that the funds flow in. Okay. The vice president, Vice President, we have 2 people. Now their responsibility is to assist the President, okay, and in my absence here, you will be taking it up. For example, I am not here in India. So if a meeting has to be done very urgently, it will be the responsibility of the Vice President, okay, to conduct the meeting and to get back to me with the minutes of the meeting. Okay? And for the US, again the same thing should be done. Okay, so everything, right from finance to any problem, anything that has to be done, and in my absence here, you will be doing the whole process. Okay. Next would be secretary. Secretary is again the coordination, getting all the work done. Okay, that's the major bulk of the job that we have. Now, any pujas. Now, for example, what we did today, this is entirely the work of the secretary in the US and in India. We have very few members now at present from the UK and from the other parts. So till then, we will be having these 2 as our common base. Now what I am planning to do is, whatever programs we have, now we have just conducted and finished here. I thought, many of them in the US would not be able to travel here. We cannot expect them to travel all the way here, and they would like to have the same kind of experience there as well. So I thought, we could have a year, we could have it in the US, so that people there could also experience whatever we experienced here today. So that's where the joint secretary comes in. So whatever work is being done by the secretary here would be done by the joint secretary in the US. The entire process is being done. Okay, and all the duties and responsibilities, I'll get it typed out, and everything I would like to circulate. Yeah, I will do that. Okay, but briefly, this is what each one does. Treasurer, of course, all the funds flowing, and the balance sheet has to be prepared. Okay, and one more small thing I would like to make a mention here. It's going to be very, very transparent. Okay, my basic plan is, we have the website now. It will be password protected. So I will have a balance sheet done, and I will put it up on the website. Now we have the funds. Now we have done a puja, so there's been expenditure, there's been money flow, and that balance sheet with the expenditure, I will try to put it up on the website with password protection, so that it's only the members who can see. That's the reason why I'm trying to tell all of you, I need your registration. Otherwise, you will be at a loss, and I will not be in a position, and I cannot coordinate individually. It becomes a Herculean task for me, and money-wise as well as time-wise. Okay. So, if it's password protected, you can just log on to your this one, and then get the information required.
Your list, an auditor also you must add.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Yes. I'll do that.
For them,
Yes.
for registration,
Yeah.
that is also required.
Anything else? Anything else I should be adding? You've been
Small
work.
request.
Yes.
Start with the point of transfer.
Yeah.
It will be much more better if everything is on paid by check.
Yes.
But cash at the, if nothing is available, then we can go for cash.
Okay.
Otherwise, everything will be account. It will be very easy to account
The
and
cash can be made.
Separate
Or more than
auditor
5,000.
actually among your members.
Members itself we can, yeah, we'll identify.
Without cash.
Anything that we are going to follow, anything that we are going to do, it's going to be very, very transparent. And I want each one of you,